Hey everybody, so we are going to begin doing some math work with Kahn Academy. Kahn Academy is a great digital learning site where there's some interactive practice, there's some interactive videos, and it's an easy way for us to kind of keep track of your independent learning, as well as, kind of navigate where you need to go as a mathematician. And it's going to be an easier way to kind of practice some of the skills that we are going to be working on for the remainder of the school year. In IXL, I know that when you enter a number that's incorrectly, it kind of takes you all the way back. Here with this program, it's a really neat way to kind of align the practice along with the video. So right now we've been, Miss D's been recording, watching some lessons from our investigations book, and then you guys are going on to IXL. With Khan Academy, it's kind of a one-stop shop for all of us to work on the same thing without kind of navigating a million different sites. So that's where I'm kind of hoping that we can go the remainder of the year. It's also going to allow me the opportunity to practice how to implement this so that I can implement it next year, hoping to do that for next year's class in math. So when you get started, you're going to get a login. Each of you will have a login name when you go through your app. It's going to be your first name and your last name, with the exception of a few of you might have a number at the end. And we're going to talk about how that will work and what that looks like together individually, okay? All of your passwords are the exact same. I thought it would be great to use the same password that we're using for our Google Meets, Room 314 Meet. It's easy to remember. You guys already have that password locked in your memory when we are joining in for our Google Meet sessions, and I thought it would just be another easy way for us to get connected. So what you're going to do is when you get into Khan Academy, you're going to go into login, and you're going to enter your username. My username, I created one for a student end so I can see what it looks like with what you would actually look like on Khan Academy. So you're going to type in your login information. And the first screen that pops up is going to be your assignments. Now, anytime that you're navigating Khan Academy and you get to a spot where you don't know how to get back to this area, all you need to do is click Khan Academy. This part right here will always take you back to this front section. This is where all of your assignments are going to post. So you're going to see volume intro. This is one that I just put in right now, just so that I can model for you what it might look like if an assignment is posted. The multiplying and dividing by powers of 10 and multiplying and dividing whole numbers are things that you're actually going to start practicing here this week with us, just to get a good idea of where we are navigating Khan Academy. Okay, over here on the side, you have a list of things. All you need to be worried about right now is your assignments. You also just need to be worried about your profile. When you click on your profile, you're going to see a bunch of different badges that you can earn with the points, and we can kind of play around with that. I'm sure you guys will be able to navigate that very quickly. And next, so you can always go back to your assignments. Remember, that's the most important part. The next thing that you want to keep an eye out is over here where your name, if you notice a little number, it's going to give you some notifications. So if you look, I had 2 notifications 16 minutes ago and 6 minutes ago. Ms. Delaplant, my teacher, assigned 2 new assignments, and then also assigned a 5th grade assignment for volume. And so sometimes you'll see that little number pop up, and that's a really good indicator of something that says like, knock, knock, hello, pay attention to this number. Something has happened, and something was added, or you maybe earned a badge, so keep an eye out for that. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to try to navigate to see on your end what you would be seeing. We have a volume intro, and I'm going to start. Now, there's going to be a video for you, and it looks like you have to watch the video first, and then you would click the next piece, Okay, so you'd have to watch the video. We're talking about volume here. And they're going to walk through. I'll even show you what it would sound like.
Another object that looks like this. It looks like this. It looks like this second object takes up more space, more physical space than this first object does. It looks like it has a larger volume, but how do we actually measure that? And remember, volume is just how much space something takes up in 3 dimensions. Area is how much space something takes up in 2 dimensions.
So through this little mini lesson, you're going to kind of learn facts that you should have known up until this point to kind of help you out. All right, so the video would go on. Of course, you can watch that video as many times as you need. And then
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes in it.
You would go to click to the next assignment, and it would tell you what you need to do
in this
next.
video, we're going to think about what happens when we multiply or divide.
Again, there's going to be a way for you guys to kind of navigate that. So intro to volume, it will give you an activity.
9 times 3, you're going to have 27.
In this activity, it's just a simple video, all right? And in each activity that you get or video that you get, it's going to look it's going to look different
10,
every
100.
time. Okay, so this would be a video. And then you would get some practice. All right, so it says multiply and divide whole numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000. Are you ready to practice? And you would say, let's go. So they would walk you through. There's only 4 questions, and it will show you what do you know. It says complete the equation. So they're giving you stuff here, and if you're stuck, you can watch a video to use a hint. There's a couple of hint videos that can help you, all right? And if you can't watch these videos and you still don't know, you can still get a hint. It says the question won't count towards your progress if you use a hint. So you get keep on thinking, or you can use a hint. So it says multiplying by 10 moves every digit 1 place value to the left. So that kind of gives you a little bit of a hint. Okay, there's a space right here for you for tools where I guess you can write down your answers or, show your work if you want to, and then it will check it for you. All right, you can go back to the lesson page or go directly to the lesson page, and it would help you to navigate what you need to know and understand for that section. Okay, it goes back. All right, so we're just going to try it out with these 2. I understand that it's going to be new, and I understand that it's going to be something different. Again, this is just something that we're going to try and see how we can navigate this and see how it works on your end. It might be easier to understand with the videos along with the practice, because there's only 4, followed by some hints, followed by some great ways and other videos to kind of navigate through. Okay, so we're going to give it a try. Good luck, and I can't wait to hear some feedback.